Life and running a business is challenging enough. We're going to give you 5 tools that we use to keep both of those things on track. Let's talk about it. There are so many different apps and tools out there that you can use for your business, and I'm not going to say that we've tried them all, but we've tried a lot of them. So what I am going to do is give you the 5 tools that we use, if not every day, almost every day, to keep our personal life and our business on track. The first tool is called Notion. If you have spoken to us about anything as far as keeping stuff on track, you have probably heard the name Notion come out of our mouth. It helps us keep everything on track with our business and our personal. Every single week, every Sunday, we have what we call a weekly review, and we go through every single project, every single client. It helps us keep our client management together. And when we go through, and also our personal things. If we have personal projects, stuff with our kids, we go through everything. And from that, we create something called action items. It's actually a fancy word for a to-do list. I don't like the word to-do list because if I make a to-do list, it's not going to get done. But if I make action items, it's going to get done. So Notion is the place where we do this. We are able to go through all of our client management, all of our action items. We use it every single day, and that is how we keep our business and our personal stuff separate, but also on track. Second tool is called Slack, and it's basically for communication. This way you're not losing things in emails or texts or trying to remember, did I email this or did I, this or that? We're able to communicate with each other. Eugene and I have our own channel, and then also we can communicate with our clients that way. All of our clients have loved it, unless they were lying to us. They loved it. Using Slack also helps us keep personal and business separated. And so that is another tool that we use almost every single day. Third tool is DaVinci Resolve. We create a lot of content, whether it's for ourselves or for our clients, and this is what we use to create that content. There are different versions. We have the paid studio version, but there is also a free version. So if you're not wanting to pay for it, you can definitely try out the free version, and you can get a lot accomplished with it. And if for some reason you're not quite happy with it, there is also something called CapCut, and it will achieve just great things with creating content. Fourth tool is Dropbox. We use it to share files and transfer those to our clients or to each other, or in your case, if you have other coworkers, this is great for that. And it's easy to get things organized with folders and all that good stuff if you like structure like we do. And there's a paid version or a free version. And I don't quite know, I know we pay for it. I think we get like a terabyte, if not more. It's very affordable, but you could at least start with that free version. Number 5 is called Make. And this is what Eugene uses to automate everything. And I say that because I know very little about automation. So if you're in a relationship, maybe this is you, maybe it's not. But in our house, things just kind of happen. Eugene thinks that things just happen. When it's
things just happen. That's not fair.
Let me explain. Every night, so it's a tradition with Eugene and our girls, they come in there and they lay next to him in the bed. They all take their socks off together and throw them in the corner. And then somehow the next morning, the socks magically are gone. And do you know why that happens? Because I take the socks and put them in the hamper or the washer. So Make, in our case, this is one of those things where I don't necessarily know or care about how the automation process works, but Eugene makes sure that it's all set up, and all I know is that things just get done and they just happen. We actually have a whole video on how we use automation for creating content. For these 5 tools, we actually have a link in our description. And let me just say, we are not affiliated, or we don't have any affiliate links or anything. These are genuinely 5 tools that we love and we use every day. So they are at least worth checking out to see if they will work for you. If you're an entrepreneur who loves creative guidance, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video. But I'm like, I was trying so hard not to say it that I almost said it. Notion.